Can you understand English but still can't speak it?
If yes, this video is for you. I'll show you how to stop translating and start speaking English directly, even as a beginner.
But I know the words. Why can't I speak?
Because your brain is doing extra work. First, you think in your language. Then you translate into English. Then you try to speak. That pause makes you slow, nervous, and stuck.
Oh, so translation slows me down.
Exactly. Fluency is about speed and flow. When you think directly in English, speaking becomes natural.
But I have to translate because English is not my mother tongue.
Yes, at the very beginning, translation helps you understand. But the more you speak, the more you train your brain to think in English. Start with small thoughts in English. Over time, your brain stops needing translation to speak.
I don't know how to say my thoughts in English. What should I do?
Start simple. Think about your day or your surroundings. I am hungry. It is raining. I like tea. Even short sentences are real English. Step by step, your brain will create a vocabulary connection naturally.
What if I make mistakes?
Mistakes are normal. Every fluent speaker made mistakes when learning. Speaking is not about being perfect. It's about being understood. The more you practice, the fewer mistakes you make.
I feel nervous. I always pause and translate.
That's very common. Start with tiny sentences and short practice. Your brain will gradually feel confident. Remember, one sentence at a time is better than nothing.
Can you show me an example?
Sure. Imagine you want to say, I'm tired. If you translate, your brain goes, in my language, then English, then speak. That takes 3 to 5 seconds. If you think directly in English, I'm tired, it comes out immediately. 1 step, not 3. That's fluency.
So thinking directly in English is like taking the shortcut?
Exactly. Translation is a long road. Direct English thought. Speech is the fast lane.
Okay. But how do I really stop translating?
Try these daily exercises. Label things around you. Phone? Say phone. Book? Say book. Don't translate. Think in short sentences. I am hungry. I am tired. I like tea. Talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing. I am cooking rice. I am walking to the door. Shadow English clips. Listen and repeat immediately. Don't translate. Even 10 minutes a day makes a big difference.
I can't think fast enough in English.
Start slow. 1 word or short sentence at a time. Speed comes naturally with practice.
Do I have to stop using my native language completely?
No. You only need to stop translating in your head while speaking. Understanding new words in your language is fine. The key is, when speaking, English only.
How long will it take to stop translating?
It depends on practice. Daily speaking plus thinking in English, even 10 to 15 minutes, will show results in 2 to 4 weeks. Consistency is more important than speed.
What if I forget words while speaking?
That's normal. Use simple sentences, gestures, or synonyms. Don't pause to translate. Your brain learns to produce English gradually. Here's a simple daily plan for beginners. 2 minutes. Label 5 things in your room in English. 3 minutes. Make 5 short sentences about your day. 3 minutes. Listen and shadow a short English clip. 2 minutes. Speak out loud without translating. 10 minutes a day equals big improvement over time.
So the secret is, stop translating and think in English directly?
Exactly. Your brain plus mouth connection is the key. Think English, speak English. Simple, powerful, effective.
I'll start today. No more translation.
Perfect. And now, I want to hear from you. What's the first English sentence you'll think and speak today? Comment below, and let's practice together.